In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of disappearing candles from your chart. If you've been trading or analyzing stocks and suddenly find that your candlestick chart is missing its candles, don't worry, this is a common problem and usually easy to fix. We'll go through a few simple steps to help you get those candles back on track so you can continue with your analysis. First, let's start by checking the visibility of the main series. You'll want to look at the top left corner of your chart. This is typically where the visibility settings are found for the various components that make up your chart. If the candles have disappeared, it might be because the main series has somehow become hidden. Ensure that this setting is enabled. In many charting software platforms, the main series controls the display of key elements like the candles themselves, so confirming it's visible is an essential first step. Now let's consider the settings for the candles specifically. You'll need to verify that the checkboxes for the body, borders, and wick of the candles are ticked. These elements together compose the full visual representation of a candlestick on your chart. If even one of these is unchecked, it might be why you're not seeing the full candle as you'd expect. By ensuring each part is selected, you'll bring back that missing visibility. Also, take a moment to check the color settings for each of these components. It's important to set their colors to contrast well against your chart's background. If your chart's background is white, choosing a dark color for your candles will make them stand out, whereas with a dark background, you'd want to opt for lighter or more vibrant colors. This contrast is crucial for maintaining good visibility and avoiding the impression that the candles have disappeared when they've merely blended into the background. Another useful feature to enable is autoscale. Enabling autoscale ensures that your chart automatically adjusts to display all the data, including any missing components like your candlesticks. Autoscaling can help bring everything back into view, especially if you've recently changed the time frame or modified data going into your chart. It's a convenient tool that recalibrates your view, ensuring you're seeing everything as it should be. So there you have it. By tweaking these settings, checking the visibility of your main series, ticking the necessary boxes for the candle components, adjusting the colors for contrast, and enabling autoscale, you'll likely resolve any issues with your chart's candlesticks not showing up. This simple troubleshooting process should have your chart looking just the way you want it, so you can get back to focusing on what's most important: your analysis and decision making. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.